Hi everybody, thanks very much for tuning in. I just wanted to give a quick shout out. I did a little pre-launch of an online course to some select people on my blog. Those people that have been really great supporters. I wanted to let them have a crack at this new online course, which is called Goal Accomplishment. So if you go to my website, keithabraham.com, and you just go to the top, there'll be some online courses. And this is my first time I've ever done an online course. I know I'm a little late to the party, and I put it on this platform called Kajabi. And what was really interesting is that in the first couple of hours I hit $1,000 for my $97 course. In actual fact it's $287, but we sold it as an opening for $97, and you'll get the same offer in a moment. But what I thought was really cool is they sent me this box to say congratulations for hitting $1,000, and I wanted to unbox it and just see what is going on here. I hope there's nothing that explodes or anything like that. And you know what was really cool is firstly on the top of the box here, not that you can see it, it's got you did it, happy dance time. So really cool and funky. They said, yeah, I've hit my $1,000. I got a little badge. I got some Kajabi socks, which is really interesting. I also got obviously some stickers, and of course I got a Kajabi Hero t-shirt. Now you know what's really interesting? What gets rewarded gets repeated. And so I often say this to groups, is that we don't recognise and reward people enough, even if it's just with a kind word or a handwritten note or whatever it might be. And so I was really blown away just to get my $1,000. Now, the course made actually $10,000 in the first 2 days, and I got a second box from them, and I thought this was really cool. This one I have already opened, and I thought I'd just share this with you as well. This is something similar. I got a notebook. I've got the happy dance time again. I got a nice little notepad, a bit of a cloth. I got a badge that told me $10,000, 10,000K. And I just wanted to, I don't achieve this without the support of a great community like you, and I just wanted to say thank you. If you haven't purchased the course, go to keithabraham.com, look for the online course. It's $287, but if you just put in this coupon code, and I'll put it on the screen, and you'll be able to access that course for just $97. It's 14 modules. There's a 54-page workbook. It's great value, and it's what I would cover in a one-day workshop, and you get a chance to access it for the rest of your life. Share it with friends if you want to even. Thanks very much for watching, but more importantly, thanks very much for helping me become a Kajabi hero. Bye now.